Hello and welcome to this video on how to use Noticia Go AI review for one of the most simple and effective use cases, document summarization. I have here a set of 10 long PDF documents, some Word documents, which on their own may take a long time to scan through. Some of them are dozens of pages, have lots of content. And so these are the kinds of things where I just want to quickly see what am I looking at here and whether or not I have to do a deeper look. So what I'm going to do is I'll put in a simple prompt. In this case, summarize this content, the content of this document in 1 to 2 sentences. I'll just go ahead and save that prompt here. And I'll start by just scanning one document at a time. So here's a quick summary. I now know, what is the title of this document? What am I looking at? This works across languages, across different format types. You could maybe tune this and say, will this relate to the case that I'm looking at, or is there any content related to X, Y, Z, or mention the people in this document? There's lots of ways that you can use this with a little bit more in a little bit more detail, but you can quickly kind of, rather than looking fully at the document itself, which might have a lot of images or tables of contents or information that's not relevant within the first couple pages and taking the time to page through it, you can quickly look at this summary. If I'm happy with these summaries and I want to be keeping them for later, I can write them to a field that I can call summary. And once that value is written, this is available on the document and is searchable. I can produce this in exports. I can include it in my affidavits, whatever that need might be. If I want to pre-summarize the documents before I get into my review, rather than clicking through and summarizing one at a time, I can select my document set and do a bulk scan on a set of documents, writing those values to the field. So I'll click here, summary, and I'll just go ahead and scan these documents in a bulk scan. You can do up to 5,000 at a time, and go ahead and write each of those values to the field so that the summaries are already ready to go as I'm doing my document review. This is one of the great things about using Noticia Go in your review is in 15 seconds, we have a summary of hundreds of pages of PDFs potentially, and we can go ahead and use those really quickly, really effectively during the review and during the later stages of the process. I'll share this basic prompt, and otherwise, happy summarizing.